This video is for people who have tried vibe coding. I'll show how you can use it even on a Hong Kong IP. You can use Claude Code and you can keep vibe coding anytime, even on your phone. Normally, if you use Claude Code from Hong Kong, use a VPN. Second, you use Claude Code on your computer. After the code is done, you need to put it online. That part is deployment. My method is to do vibe coding directly inside Zoho computer. Why? First, this online computer can run Claude Code directly. Zoho runs outside Hong Kong, so it works. You don't need a VPN. Second, this environment itself is already an online computer. So the code you create here while vibe coding goes live. Because it is online already, it gives you a URL to see the result instantly. So anytime, anywhere, open Zoho computer on your phone, cloud PC. Inside it, you can vibe code whenever you want. This is how Zoho computer differs from other AI agent tools. When you enter Zoho computer, you see it has a terminal. Just like vibe coding on your own computer, type Claude, press enter. Now you're using Claude Code on your cloud computer. For how Hong Kong users can pay for Claude, see that one. I won't repeat it here. Here, you can see I already have the latest Opus 4.8. Now I'll click Files first. This is a cloud computer. It has its own folders. Here, I first open a folder called Code. This is for my code. Tap Add. Create a folder here. I keep many vibe coding projects there. Save there, then Terminal. Then I go back to the terminal and find Claude Code. Here I ask it, can you see the new folder I created called Code? It says it found it, but it also sees the folder is empty. Next, you can just type and tell it to do vibe coding inside this folder. Even when using Zoho computer, you can still use every command built into Claude Code. Type a slash and you'll find them. Things like plan mode. You can also use the agent management features, split agents. Here, I tell it, create a subfolder called total. Then I ask it to build a very simple to-do app. It uses React. At the same time, I click Files. I find the code folder from just now. It has made a total app folder inside the code folder. Now we return to terminal. Let's see how it is doing. When I opened Claude earlier, I forgot to click skip for all permission. That means it doesn't need to ask you each time. It can directly create or edit files inside. As mentioned, Zoho computer itself is a server and it has built-in structure. It gives you a URL to view the app immediately. Now I click hosting on the left. This total app is the one it just created. Click I to preview. Let's see the result. I'll try adding a new to-do item. Then I can select it. I can also remove it. This screen also provides some tools. You can view records here. Click Show Logs to view. That helps with debugging. If you want to share the tool you built with others, we need to publish it first. Here, I return to hosting. Then I click Options and press Publish. Now it shows this link is public. You may ask, can I use my own website address? Yes, you can. You must first publish the tool you created. Then select the three dots. Click Edit Surface. Here, you can add a custom domain. For example, you can point your own domain to this tool with a custom domain. One final note, Claude Code also works from Zoho Chat, not only terminal. Once connected, you can use the built-in chat instead. Now click New Chat here. Then I select Claude Code Opus. You can type here, ask it to build a tool. It works the same way. So what's the biggest difference between terminal and chat? The answer is, inside the terminal, you can use the native commands inside Claude Code. / some people need to use those commands. But if you are just a beginner, test. It doesn't need to be complex. Just open a new chat. Type and tell it what kind of tool you want to build. To learn more about this, about applying AI agents, you are welcome to join our June 13 Manus workshop. In that workshop, we also teach Zoe Computer. These two tools are actually quite similar. Manus has more complete features, but Zoe Computer costs less. You can even use it for free. Here, one part will also teach vibe coding, but most of the time focuses on workplace use cases. And in the June 24 course, there is also a small part on vibe coding. But that workshop focuses on marketing. Vibe coding is mainly for building web pages. That makes it easier for AI to recommend your company website. In June, we finally launched our first AI course eligible for 80% CEF tuition subsidy. We spent a year preparing this course. It includes 15 hours of in-person classes and another 15 hours online. After the subsidy, just 5K. If you want to learn more about the course, click the link below this video. Bye.